Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we put s minus 1 go to the left, dt will go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. The integral of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integral of t, we have t squared over 2, and we put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means t equals to number 0, s equals to number 7. So we put number 0 in here, number 7 in here. So we have ln of 6 equals to c. So that means we put this one go in here. Next, we put e for the both sides. So this one we have s minus 1. Oh, sorry, the absolute value of s minus 1. This one we have number 6 multiplied by this one. So we have two solutions in here. The first one, s minus 1 equals to this one. And the second one, that is about s minus 1 equal to negative of this one. So we put number 1 go to the right. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.